Grammar and vocabulary are the backbone of effective communication. When we sharpen these skills, we open doors to a world of understanding and connection. Let's dive into a delightful story that makes learning them fun. Meet Alex, a curious young learner who stumbles upon an ancient, dusty book in the attic. As Alex flips it open, the air shimmers and Mr. Wordsmith, the book's magical guardian, materializes. With a warm smile, he invites Alex to embark on an adventure filled with stories that teach crucial grammar and vocabulary skills. In the first tale, Alex finds themselves in the whimsical kingdom of Grammaria, where punctuation marks have gone missing, causing chaos. Throughout the quest, Alex gains insights into the importance of proper punctuation, discovering how each symbol gives meaning to their sentences. Next, Alex embarks on a journey aboard the vocabulary ship, sailing through oceans of new words and vivid contexts. Each experience becomes a chance to learn new vocabulary, transforming complex words into relatable, everyday treasures. By the end, Alex realizes that stories are not just entertaining, they're powerful tools for learning. Language becomes less intimidating and far more enjoyable when wrapped in a tale. So, grab a book, dive into stories, and watch your grammar and vocabulary skills flourish.